हम दे देंगे बिल्कुल सर। ओके
आपको फोकस कि मेरा है
Thank you, Vinesh, for the wonderful innings, and you have made your team to qualify for the finals. And you have played very well. The winner has taken 2 wickets, and you have also bringing 47 runs. So he made his half of the run by himself for whole team. So congratulations. This is you.
and hang on because he is the man of the match from the previous tournament as well. Previous 2015.
super chula होते थे
Rolling.
आपको पैसा पड़ गया
बैठना है एक दिन।
बैठना है
एक दिन
वाइट के साथ अच्छा वाइट के साथ भाई ऑनलाइन वाले आओ।
The first one of the match, it comes as 5 extra runs. For the team Macmillan, coming as a 5 extra runs, and what a day to start the semi-final, the second semi-final. It's a good ball. A brilliant comeback from Robin. A brilliant shot. It's a flick of the wrist for 6 runs. What a shot by batsman Faisal.
bowling who is the bowler Robin Hood
It's a nice comeback, and just one run, quick single taken for Tim Macmillan.
it is 5 or white
white के 5 runs है।
no white का 5 white plus 4 okay
A brilliant ball, Yorker length. Nice comeback from Robin. He's firing up now. He is backer 1-6 to deep square leg, and from that he's been bowling very nicely.
Oh,
Six single not out.
That's a brilliant shot. Played in the same area for 6 runs, I guess. It's a brilliant 6. And this time,
Rudra, we are ready for the interview of
Jaffer.
Okay.
Jaffer is there. He's joining with Faisal. This is one more ball to remaining in this over, and looks like Jaffer gonna smack for 1 for 6.
हजुर हो हुन्छ
It's the last ball.
कुरा गर्छु नि नत्र
This is brilliant ball. It's the batsman wanted to take a single, but seen by the Shankar batsman. And after first over, it's 18 runs after first over. The new bowler joining the hand with Robin. The new bowler is Rafi from the other end. He's gonna be faced by Faisal.
whenever you say hello guys
Coming round the wicket is back down the ground for 4 runs
this is the match between Macallan College versus team
from Faisal.
AEI
Team AEI is already on back foot.
हजुर
This time, a switch hit, trying to switch hit. Hold by the bowler, now it's a wide ball. One more extra run for the batting team.
This is a nice game going on, second semi-finale of the day.
What a
Macallan
shot.
College versus Team AEI, and what a 6, huge 6 it is.
To the next round. What a shot by Faisal. You can see the pure power hitting batting by Faisal and few innovative shot as well. Looks like Rafi has to do something with this. The way they are scoring runs, it doesn't look like they won't be stopping more than 150 runs. And for the semi-final, it will be a great target for any team who is chasing now. Again a beautiful shot, and it's going on to deep mid wicket for 6 runs. It's already a very expensive over from Rafi. And our scorer is taking all the marks now. We can see he's been struggling a lot. It's already 35 runs. That's a brilliant shot.
Watch out.
And he's coming to the committee panel as well for 4 runs. And looks like they come with the big intentions. Winning the toss and taking the bat first.
Another beautiful. Another. Okay, what the heck? Battery हो गई इसकी. Another beautiful.
We're gonna see the replay as well. That the huge 6.
5 balls. And it's 45.
Double A होगा भाई.
Double है ना?
हाँ.
देखिए, thank you. Love you.
Watch it.
नहीं इधर ले. इधर. अच्छी चल रही थी मेरी कमेंट्री अभी मजा आ रहा था थक हो गया
लाएंगे शेल्फ लाएंगे
Mark check, hello, hello, hello. Mark check.
Run. 45.
It's
Already 45 runs in second over.
Hello. Dot ball.
Hello, hello. Mark check.
After
Next bowler name. Bowler name. क्या नाम है? Robin. Robin Rahman. Bowler name.
खेलने लगा ऊपर बैठ गया.
क्या नाम है? Robin. Robin Rahman.
Now we can see the replay as well.
Scoring going 49. 2 over 49.
That was very nice ball. We're gonna see here in the replay as well.
Hello, hello. Mark check.
A nice ball again. It's a dot ball. Batsmen have no clue at all. Robin is doing well. So far in his 1.3 over spell, he conceded 22 runs. Haven't got any wicket yet. Let's see.
That's a brilliant ball. Nice comeback.
Dot,
But it's
sorry.
a white ball.
White signal by umpire. There will be
Wide
additional
and-
run.
Ball Robin doesn't look very happy with the decision of umpire, but we'll find out very soon. It's a good shot again.
जी इंटरव्यू कर लें.
हाँ भाई.
इंटरव्यू कर लें. आप करो या कौन करेगा? आजा आप आजा साथ में करते हैं.
जो भी करे अच्छा है.
मैं तो खैर साइड में आया.
त्यो पनि गर दुईटैमा गर.
So you just gonna hold here?
भाइ यसमा थोडा जल्दी हार्ड
Joe?
बनायो भाइ.
Yeah, sure, that's fine.
So I'll just put it here. नहीं मैं इधर लगाने की कोशिश कर रहा
Thank you. Come, let's go. Oh, just here? I'll just okay.
था. McLaren कौन?
From Astra.
From Astra Higher Education. They made it for final.
So, hello everyone. I got one of the representative from Astra College, and firstly, I would like to welcome you in this our warm afternoon. And you made it to finals. How are you feeling right now? And your team has done a very good job, especially the batsmen like Gagan
Yeah.
and other teammates as well. So, what's your feeling right now? And what's your new plans for the finals?
Oh, very excited. The whole team is ecstatic at the moment. They're getting a bit of downtime, preparing for the finals, and I think it's been a great innings the last match that we played. Some great bowling, great batting. I think a few sixes went over the fence. So great team effort overall, and very proud of the boys.
Yeah, the way CDU started, it's like they scored like almost 70 runs in like 5 overs. The
Yeah.
way the boys were going, but especially even from the fielding effort and the bowling side, they had done a good
Absolutely.
job. And as a representative from your side, what's your general feeling?
Yes.
And what do you want to say to your boys for the finals?
Oh, well, we're very excited, very happy. And the boys are, like I said, taking a bit of downtime. We're going to do a team huddle very soon, come up with a strategy for, how we're going to take the toss and what we're going to decide to do first if we win. And we can't give away our strategy just now, can we?
Definitely not. So one special question for the boys.
Yes.
So if we leave the finals, what are we going to do to the boys?
What we're
They
going to
leave the
do?
final, yeah.
Oh, whatever they want, whatever they want. They've deserved it. It's well earned. Well, hopefully we get there, and then whatever they ask for.
So definitely we're going to find out very soon. Our
We
same
will.
final 2 is going on. you can watch them and make your strategy according
Absolutely.
to that. And
Absolutely.
definitely, I think they got the wicket and they've been celebrating now. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
And I wish you very good luck for your final.
Thank you for
so
having
much.
us. Thank you.
Undefeated, huh?
Nice. Yeah.
Undefeated.
Well, we have to be to get here, no?
No. Sorry, sir. Let's take this
Oh, yeah, sure, that's fine.
Hello, fast.
That was wicket.
55 run एक विकेट के नुकसान पर
55 run, 1 wicket. Score is 55 run with the loss of 1 wicket. Macallan College doing well. New batter? Yes.
What is the channel you are doing live?
Search Macallan College versus Team EI.
Better Elias.
Ilyaf is the new batter. Ilyaf. Let's see how he will play. Straight away into the mark.
नहीं है भाई दूसरा बैट्समैन है सॉरी लॉस हो गया दूसरा बैटर है सॉरी
Sorry for miscommunications. It's not Ilyaf. It's Salman is the batter.
Salman.
56
Another switch hit and a misfield, I guess. It's running away for the boundary. That's 4 more.
पहले सिंगल निकले उसके बाद 4
It's
What the
hit
four
with
it
the
is.
bat and it's a 4 run. That's 4 more. It's already 60 runs.
फाइव ओवर रनिंग 4 रनिंग
1 run is missing.
4 overs is already 60 runs. On the scoreboard, there is field strategy going on the field. There's a field movement as well, and looks like again trying to go with a big hit, but Mary has a dot. It's a brilliant shot and a
There was chance for catch out, boss. Miss it.
he couldn't grab it in his both hands. Looks like that was the opportunity for the team AEI, but they couldn't grab with the both hands. It's a brilliant shot, high in there, pillar underneath, and
Take on. I'm gonna see here in the replay as well.
that's a
The
good-
ball wasn't connected well,
it's a brilliant
and
shot.
result is a wicket.
Salman has to be
सेलेक्ट कर रहा हूं
dismissed now. It's a brilliant catch.
Batter?
क्या आशिक
New batsman Ilyas walking into the crease for Macallan College. Robin is the bowler.
The new bowler
2 ओवर हो गए
is Robin. Looks like
3 ओवर है शायद ना तीसरा
he's here for to take wicket of Faisal. And Faisal is scoring very handy runs for the team.
फैसल भाई स्ट्राइक पे आते हैं
Faisal gonna strike now.
61 है ये ओवर में रुक गया 2 ओवर
After 4 overs, it's 61 runs with the loss of 2 wickets in Macallan.
Okay.
It's a brilliant shot. It's all the way going out of the fence with 6 more runs. And Faisal is scoring very handy now. He is taking his team to new heights. Now, that was a very big six. Nearly went to the road. I suggest my friends to park their car somewhere else.
His score is 67 run. It's a U6 by Faisal.
Beaters and yes. Another big shot. It's running away. It's a brilliant fielding effort. Looks like saving 3 runs for the team.
Nice fielding
Another big shot, and it's running away.
and
It's like all
save
team members.
3 runs for his team.
What a shot! I told you before. Please park your car not here, somewhere else. Otherwise, you're gonna lose your. What a shot! I told you before. Please. They are here to destroy.
You don't know what's coming.
Looks like they are in a mood right now. They are hitting sixes for fun. It was a very big six. Another big hit. It's a big appeal from the keeper. Big six. But there is no support from his team members. Another big hit. It's a big appeal from the keeper. Big six. But there is no support from his team members.
Block 3 stump and swing you back.
Again, a good shot, but only for 1 run.
कितना बॉल बाकी है?
एक बॉल लास्ट बॉल
कितना रन हो गया?
75
75 runs. That's huge.
Another switch hit, but this time they got a fielder down there.
75 runs. That's huge.
Another switch hit, but this time they got a fielder down there. Overs, it's 76 run for 2 wickets.
75 runs. That's
बॉलर नेम
Ashiku.
Next bowler,
Ashiku.
Ashikur Islam.
The jersey number 3, Asiko. The captain have trusted him. He have to take wicket. Need to be more economical, in my opinion. The way they are going right now, I don't think they will be stopped nearby 150. Another switch hit, and it's a 4 run. There is no fielder down there, no protection, and it's 4 runs. Another switch hit, and it's a 4 run. There is no fielder down there, no protection.
5 over 1 ball, 80 runs.
Looks like we got some drizzles here, but the umpire has continued the match, and looks like the second drizzles here. Looks like the umpire has continued the match, and 6 here coming. Looks like it's a big appeal and a wicket. Asiko, he's like the umpire has. He got a victory for his team, and coming. Looks like it's a big appeal and a wicket. Batting from Asiko, he's like the umpire has. He got a victory for his team, and coming. Looks like it's a big appeal and a wicket. Batting from Asiko, he's all the results win for the middle order batsman. He got a victory for his team, and coming. Looks like it's a big appeal and a wicket. Batting from Asiko, he's all the results win for the middle order batsman. He got a victory for his team, and coming.
Exactly. Like, really? No? No, not really. Oh, so much good.
You didn't see it probably. That's why I was blocking your view. That's why.
Yeah. Look at the batsman. How he's gonna run?
Here's a new batsman coming in now.
What's the batsman name?
फारूक
Farooq. Jersey number 2, Farooq is here now. Let's see, will he continue the legacy of Faisal?
He'll surprise you.
Looks
He'll
like.
surprise you.
Looks like.
Otherwise, you wouldn't be in the team.
Yeah, that's true.
Jersey number 2, Farouk from Macallan.
क्या हो गया?
He wants to bat. Go bat, bro.
चलो भागो जफर अपने একটু বলো খালি সুইচ আপনি বলো
We can see some strategy going on from the dugout of AEI.
Also onside, off the rako. Staying off.
Even
Let's see what the
he's looking at the middle so there's no need of
Power.
It's a good shot in fine leg sector, but there's only one run. They got the one runner in the middle.
সাগর ভাই ওরে থার্ড পেন্টে
It's a very special movement in this tournament. It's a good shot in deep mid wicket, but it's a misfield. That's a 4 run contributing to the team now.
সাগর ভাই এটা ঢুকাই দিয়ে এখানে বাইক করে দেন এই জায়গায় এটা পুরো প্ল্যান এটা দরকার নাই কারণ ও হ্যান্ড ফায়ার স্ট্যান্ডিং দেখেন
Blue sky migration. Immigration.
Let's take a moment and thank to our organizer, Blue Sky Immigration and Student Consultancy, who has been one of the key to start this tournament. It's a big appeal, but it's not out, and this is the 4th edition going on, and what a way to start the tournament, what a way we're having now. All the students contributing to make this tournament very successful, and it's a ball, another breakthrough. Asiko is getting wickets for his team now.
so what's the score
84 6 gone.
So at the end of 6 overs, it's 84 runs for 4 wickets.
Sir, chale go.
New bowler. I don't know.
लेगी का नाम की शादाब
Sponsors नहीं, sponsor का नाम क्या है?
शायद
Sponsor. ये तेरा sponsor है सारे.
ये स्पॉन्सर है गॉड के स्पॉन्सर भाई
NSW government is
And we'd like to truly appreciate the proud sponsor of this tournament, NSW government and study NSW. Thank you for your contribution. Your contribution have made this tournament very meaningful and very successful. That's a brilliant ball again from the bowler.
शाबाब हबीब ना
something like that surname I don't know
नहीं है यार शबाब अहमद है
shabab
My bowler name Sabaz.
shabab
Sabab is here now. It's a brilliant shot. What a way. What a way to start. It's a 6 runs. Sabab, he's already in back foot now.
91.
Looks like they're scoring in handy way. They are doing power hitting like a piece of paper. They are hitting everywhere as they want. We saw some sweet hit as well from few batsmen. And this is a flicker shot and went for 6 runs. That's a brilliant job from the batsman.
91.
Again a funny delivery. Good piece of fielding and just 1 run.
This is a consultancy, right? The tournament who is doing it. What a shot! And looks like it's a 4 or 6 runs. It's a brilliant shot. The way they are going, it looks like 150 is like the easiable target to put on.
ঠাকুর ভাই ওই জায়গায় আর দুটো দিয়া দেন
It's now 98.
It's already 98 runs on the board.
ঢুকাই ওই জায়গায় বাইক করে দেন
Again a big shot. Looks like the fielder is there. And he dropped the catch. It was a big opportunity for the team. He has been scoring very good runs for the team, but he has been dropped on long off. The team doesn't look very happy with the effort of the fielder. And if you need any kind of migrational and educational services, you can visit Blue Sky Immigration and Student Consultancy. Your trusted education partner.
7 over 1, 98. 99.
After 7 overs, it's 99 runs with the loss of 4 wickets. I thought bring your chair. I don't know which other mic. Jersey number 4, Didar is he with the ball in hand, roaming his arm around. Looks like he has something for the team.
There is no bowler name called Didar. Fahad Hussain.
It's a good shot.
I'll select Fahad Hussain, okay?
Chance of run out, but it's too late. It was a quick hand, but a bit sloppy from the keeper. Couldn't collect that ball on the right time and missed a run out chance.
So 100 hello na 100.
Yes.
Single है
सिंगल कहाँ से यहाँ वापस हो गए
Very good shot. Playing down the ground for just 1 run.
How do you feel and all? For the we are live.
And
Shahriar will do. Yeah,
we'd like to thank you to our sponsors, organizing team, and our volunteer friends as well.
Generally, all the owners are doing it. So you should do it. Just 2 minutes, 1 minute only.
That's a good shot again.
AEI college.
होना चाहिए जिससे प्रमोशन हो कॉलेज की सीडीयू कवर किया तुमने
थोड़ा ये लगा देते हैं भाई.
Oh, sir.
ये मेरे से क्यों नहीं लग रहा है?
It's okay.
Sorry भाई.
It's okay.
AI college, right?
The AI Australia.
Hello everyone, and let's take a moment and welcome to our special guest from AI College, Australia. So looks like your team is going very good now. I think they are bowling now
Yes, they
after
are.
losing the toss, and they are playing semi-final. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling great. It's an honor to join this tournament, playing our team with the other teams. And it is actually, it's not just winning or losing, it's participating what we are looking at, and students' well-being, they're enjoying it. That's what we are looking at.
And more likely, there are a lot of colleges in Australia, basically, what they focus on is studies as well. So not only on studies, what does AEI College focuses on for students' mental health and the emotional support as well?
So I came here as an international student, so I know how the student life is. So we focus on every aspect of life. It is a lifelong journey. So students come in Australia and then they try to settle here, or when they go back to their country, they can participate in the community what they studied in here. So we support in every aspect of life, not only education, the mental well-being, and enjoying Australian life.
That's true, and looks like the boys are very pumped up today, and they've been really good on the field. But you know, talking about AEI College, it has been really good. Even they play cricket. So, what are the courses like you offer? You know, for the international students.
So we are offering at the moment certificate in kitchen management, diploma of hospitality management, advanced diploma of hospitality management. Also we have certificate 3 in early childhood education and care, diploma of early childhood education and care, certificate 4 in business, and diploma of leadership and management.
Thank you so much. I think your presence matters a lot, and it has been very helpful to our tournament as well. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
आप दे दिए ना इंटरव्यू और कोई है देने वाले आपके पास
sorry.
उन्होंं भी आपके कुछ है भाई दे दो थोड़ा ভালোবাসি कर
না ভালোবাসি আমার ভালোবাসি হবে না I'm not very good to speak to be honest. I'll mess it up.
okay. If you're comfortable go for it.
What a shot! It's all the way to.
And nearly smashed the car in the road. What a shot!
Rafi ball ব্যাটের সামনে দিও না বল আগাই দাও
The team owner doesn't look very happy. We can see a bit frustration on his face. I know he wants his team to win, and he wants his boys to do well. Definitely, that's the only way where you can support your team. Actually, it's a very good shot. It's a catchable chance.
Perfect.
There's a run out chance, and it's not run out.
It's not run out either. It wasn't catch and it wasn't run out.
There's a very, very bad performance from his fielding side.
তিনটা
Morse is a sloppy field.
It's a semi-final. You can't be sloppy. This is the chance where you can get yourself a finale ticket to the finals, and definitely the cricketer says catches win matches. If you take the catches, you win the matches. It's a dot ball. The batsman is asking for a white ball, but the umpire is completely against the batsman. And AEI College doesn't look very good in the fielding. They have already dropped 2 catches, and it's the same batsman. It's a very Yorker, good Yorker length delivery, just for 1 run. कितना रन हो गए? How many overs?
120
after 9
The score is 120 run in 9 overs.
সিরাজুল
8 overs. What a shot!
Good shot.
It is hitting a car. Looks like
he's not gonna
yes.
সিরাজুল
What a shot! The way he is batting right now. The team is looking for, I guess, more than 180 runs. They still have 4 more overs.
They are good players, of course. We have to.
The way they are batting right now, 180 will be the target in their mind, I guess. And AEI College have to do something to stop them. What a shot again! It's high in the air. The fielder is underneath, and it's a good catch. Finally, they managed to grab 1 catch after dropping 2 catches. That's a good thing. Nice comeback from the bowler.
Afjar is strike point. Azam Ali. Azam Ali next batsman. Assalamualaikum.
Azam Ali will be the next batsman. He will be on the strike, I guess.
रुद्रा अभी भेजे ना लिंक YouTube की ग्रुप में कैप्टन्स ग्रुप में भेजे ना.
And jersey number 8, Manning is marked on the ground. Looks like he will be smashing for boundaries as well, because all the batsmen approach were
खदीर भाई.
getting in the middle and smacking for boundaries.
खदीर भाई. खदीर भाई. खदीर भाई.
पहले बॉल से का दूसरा बॉल विकेट
126.
आजम अली ये स्ट्राइक है.
It's a good shot over the covers for 4 more runs. Looks like they are playing a video game. Everybody is coming here and smacking for boundaries. And they are batting look like very easy, to be very honest. The way they are coming up, hitting boundaries for fun. It's a new batsman. He started coming up, he started hitting boundaries. They have already scored 130 runs.
Come here. I know it's a bit hard to see, but yeah, can't do much.
Flighty delivery, brilliant effort from the fielder. It's only 1 run. And again a good delivery. There's a chance for Cass, I think. Nah, it's in the gap. It's for 6 more runs. The batsman is adding more runs to the team. They have already reached 137.
How many overs, right?
लास्ट बॉल है यार.
It's the last ball of 10th over. After this, they will have like 2 more overs. It's a brilliant shot again. It is going over the road. It's a brilliant 6. And after 10th over, it's 143. They still have 2 more overs. Can they score 37 runs? In 2 overs, the way they are going, they are hitting boundaries in every over. And it doesn't seem like they won't be getting 180 runs. They're smashing like boundaries in every over.
Who's the other team in the final already?
No, yeah, they're in finals now. Yeah, of course, 100%, 100%.
Let's go home.
It's a bit quicker in the air. It's a wide delivery. The bowlers doesn't have to do much. He just need to bowl in correct length. Just 12 deliveries. It's already 1 extra in this over. Brilliant delivery. Looks like the keeper is more excited. He's the same height of Rishabh Pant. He's more acting like that and he's more excited. That's a good thing, good sign for the team. We need this kind of character in the team who pumps up the team every time when they are feeling low.
I can say Mustafiqur Rahim.
It's too short.
It's a good shot, catchable chance, and it's taken. A very good catch in deep mid wicket. A brilliant effort from the bowling as well. Made the batsman play the shot straight to the hand. There was only 1 fielder, and it was a well plan executed by a bowler. A brilliant effort from the bowling side as well.
Man of the match. Select batter. 144 है ना?
कुछ खाया कर बिरयानी वगैरह क्या कर रहा है तू
यहाँ खाया नहीं यार.
अच्छा नहीं लगता
There's a new batsman coming in now. He will be joining to his old fellow who is in the other end. Facing his first delivery of his innings. Third in the final leg is a missed field. Will give him one run and made him the strike to the set batsman.
Simon তোর কাছে क्या सर? Ready था guys.
The Azam will be in his, he's on strike now. Sorry, Aswak. Can he see the six? Doesn't look like he got bowled. Team Macklin is losing his control now.
Over, last over. 140.
They'll already lose 2 wickets in this over.
रुक के गेलो.
How many wickets fall? How many wickets down? 6, 7? 7.
your last wicket
3 more.
Last over.
146.
No, 7 balls.
45. Making wide.
They have like 7 balls remaining and they will be trying to add more runs in their scorecard. Let's see what they're gonna do and what this new batsman has to offer. He looks very calm and composed right now. Hit the last delivery. It's a dot now, and this dot can be very expensive while they are defending the runs for their team. Facing his second ball. It's a very quick in the air, and it's an over.
145 after 11.
It's 145 after 11th over. Ashiko is the new bowler, I guess.
No, the missing guy.
singer
Shahriar.
Didar.
Didar.
Didar is here now. Let's see what Didar can do in 6 balls. Can he be economical in this over? Can they hit for a couple of boundaries and make it up to 150? It's a good ball, good length ball. The batsman has no answer of it, and it has been a dot now. The team, after losing 2 wickets in 11th over, right now they are a bit tumbling. It's a nice comeback from AEI College. It's a brilliant ball again, Yorker lane, just for 1 run. They might be interested to take 2 runs, but it's only 1 run. Brilliant bowling from Didar. He is doing things for the team. And there's 4 more balls to come. The team is cheering up for him. It's a brilliant shot, but there's the fielder, and it's a good catch. A very good catch by the fielder. Safely taken, and I think it's his 2nd catch of this match. I think that guy has got something on his hand now. So it's his 3rd catch. He haven't dropped one.
Didar. Didar.
It was a slower one, and it's a
सामने दिस ना.
good bowling from Didar. We can see some strategy going on from AEI College dugout.
मैं last week भी clean करके गया था.
There's 3 more deliveries to come. He wanted to swing hard, but there is no contact between bat and ball. A brilliant bowling from Didar.
Land ball.
A very, very good bowling for his side. He has been doing a very good job for the team. And looks like Didar is turning the game away from which college? Macallan College. A good shot on long on, but the jersey number 3 has rocket hands. They were interested for 2 runs, but
Good bowling, Didar, good bowling.
it's the last delivery of the match, of the first innings. Sorry, last delivery of first inning, and it's a semi-final. Will he hit the ball out of the park? We'll find out.
Yes.
And he does. Look at this.
বললেন সামনে সামনে
আমি দেখছেন
A very good shot.
Land ball. Don't
মাথায়
And
গিলু নাই।
it went all the way for 6.
153
And after 12th over, the target is 153 for AI College. We will be joining you after a short break. Thank you.
वो फैजल रहता ना तो 250 पे होता भाई. Fazal was fucking. He was smacking everywhere. This is right.
वो स्पिनर भी फायदा उनका सबको
बस पानी वानी मंगाया, जो कमेंट्री करवा रहा है तो मेरे से पानी भी नहीं दे.
They will be going for every ball out of the boundary.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9, 10, 11, 12.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, hello.
The first ball, brilliant ball by the bowler Faisal. He has been very handy with the bat, scoring all sixes. I guess he hit more than 4 sixes and couple of boundaries where it came with a switch hit as well. That was very surprising for us. He's taller than the umpire. Big man with big arms, with big responsibility. It's a brilliant ball. It's a big appeal. But the umpire has been completely ignoring that. I think it came with a trouser.
बहुत ही मशहूर एम्पायर माने जाते हैं 4 साल से ब्लू स्काई में हमारे भाई एज एम्पायर पेश करते हुए
I'll do the live one.
Drink some water, no?
No, I'm good. Yes. The tall man with the white ball again.
Big swing but completely missed. White signal by umpire.
बेहतरीन एम्पायर माने जाते हैं अपनी हाइट का बेहतरीन फायदा उठाते हुए
What did I?
कनाडा से उनको बुलाया गया है मैंने कनाडा से मैंने अमेरिका रहते हैं 1 महीना ब्लू स्काई की डॉक्यूमेंट के लिए
This is the match between McLaren College versus Team AEI. This is the boundary, first boundary of the inning by Team AEI.
A lot of Nepalese and mainly Nepalese and Philippines.
I studied at DIC.
This is U6 out of the ground by Ashik.
बेहतरीन एम्पायरिंग बेहतरीन शॉट बहुत ही उम्दा प्लेयर
What a shot it is. There was full of control in ball by batter.
पहले ये ओवर में बॉल
Batter, batsman.
बहुत है कि प्लेयर नाम नहीं पता पड़ा
You took over your commentary?
Bowler is Faisal. Faisal ready for another delivery.
Faisal on his fifth ball.
Faisal with his fifth ball of this over. Use of the bat but couldn't connect well. Still, ball is racing. Whether it will be boundary or not, waiting for umpire to confirm.
Right.
Run harder.
हवा है लेग इसके 2 गए
दो होगा भाई.
Did message me.
बताना लेग पैस का
I do play cricket. I play.
ना दे अंपायर ने बताया
ये बैटर में दे दो.
बैटर में चलेगा
हाँ भाई.
So like more community things. And the good stuff. Let's try the competition between these guys. Huge.
डॉट another dot
Huge success.
one over select bowler 30
First over 13 runs without any wicket. Team AEI. CA first one.
बॉलर आगे कौन है बॉलर ये कौन है
The batsman is requesting for new bat. Maybe he need the bat to smash boundaries now.
Ilyas, bowler name Ilyas.
New bowler Ilyas walking into the attack for Macallan College.
One big guy, Sandeep Lamsan, he went with the big west. Not big west, big west. He's a good bowler, very good bowler.
Nicely connected and 6 run it is. U6. Batsman be like, footwork, what is it this? I don't need that one.
We have a competition. I think that one.
The ball is in here. Whether it will be catch or not, let's see. Oh, what a brilliant catch it is. Take it comfortably. Nice catch. And wicket it is by Macallan College.
बहुत अच्छे बैट्समैन, बहुत उम्मीदें की टीम ने आंखों की लहरा बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग करते हैं बड़े भाई
That ball is wide. Have you play white ball?
Hey, score.
The first thing I said to them is like your best.
His score is 20 run.
It's not big.
Nice shot, but fielders there, they have to be happy with single here.
हमारा ना पहले बॉल एक लिया अब एक लिया
Nice shot in the gap for 4 run. We're gonna see here in the replay as well. He waited for ball and slashed it through the gap.
मेरे को एक ही काम दिया है और तू वो भी ढंग से मत कर.
नंबर्स
Cricket Club, yes.
Oh, drop the cap.
Channel. Profile. A calm blue sky.
27 ओवर बॉलर कौन है और प्ले लास्ट ओवर है और प्ले हवा
I shot.
पकड़ लेना भाई हाँ
26, 27, 27.
वो खुद बोल रहा है वो 200 किलोमीटर जा रहा है।
बहुत ही अच्छी गोटी थी गन पे हटके
White signal by umpire.
सूर्य कुमार के जैसी बहुत ही उम्दा बॉलिंग, बहुत ही उम्दा बॉलिंग। ब्लू स्काई टूर्नामेंट एक ऐसा टूर्नामेंट है जिसमें हर चीज की फैसिलिटी है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑस्ट्रेलिया की आज मौजूद है ग्राउंड में। आप देखा जाए तो एक नया किस्म का टूर्नामेंट, नए किस्म के लोग, नई किस्म की बैटिंग बॉलिंग। अलग अंदाज में शॉट बॉल
U6. It is by batter.
Short ball.
Rafi Rahman swinging the bat very well, that connect well enough to be 6 it is. Again ball is in here, high and handsome in the commentary panel for 6 run. U6 back to back 6 by batter. That was the reason why he changed his bat. भाई स्टार्ट कर दे न तो कमेंट लो लो लो
तो कर रहा है चला बंद करा उसको बंद करा हुआ या मेरे को बोलने दे
बंद कर दो भाई, आप बोलो वो बंद हो जाएगा।
Again, it's a wide delivery. It's a no ball actually. The umpire have given no ball, and looks like the bowler is not very happy, and the batsman has got one more opportunity to dismiss the ball out of the park. Let's see what he's gonna do now. It's a wide delivery again. The free hit remains the same. One more extra run. Looks like the bowler is under pressure. And of course, it's a semi-final. It's a pressure match. You want to win the match for your team, but not like this. Again, the batsman is ready. It's a good delivery. The batsman was thinking of a wide ball, but looks like it's not a wide ball. Again, the bowler. It's a good shot in the gap, but it will give only one run. It's a slower one a bit. He have decreased his pace a bit, and looks like
43. 43.
How many overs? 4 overs? How many overs?
Run is under.
so. After 3 overs, it's 43 runs with the loss of only 1 wicket. And this tournament has been a roller coaster, to be very honest. In every overs, the momentum has been changed to a different team. And looks like AEI College have the upper hand right now. They have the 9 wickets in their hand. And it's 3 overs, 43 runs. So after the power play, the field has been opened. You can see 3 fielders on the leg side and 2 fielders outside the 30-yard circle in offside. But it's a very small boundary. The first ball coming up now. So wide delivery, and it's a 4 runs. 5 runs as an extra. That's very crucial runs for the team. 48 runs already in 3 overs.
আমরা চিন্তা আমরা চিন্তা হেলে আমার কাছে বেঁচে দিছে
That's a very good way to start for the. Again, it's a wide. That's already 6 runs in this over, and the ball hasn't been delivered yet. I feel that the ball is in very much pressure right now, and it's a good way, but it is going away from the fielder, and it's 4 runs. That's a very big age.
Lovely boys, lovely. Keep going.
And what a way to start this over. It's already 10 runs. And a good shot, looks like it's all the way going for the 6 runs.
Lovely, all day, every day, boy. 6. Show them what we got.
That's a very good shot from the batsman. Played down the ground. What a way to continue this over. It's only 2 balls. And again, it's a big shot. And it is hitting the car, I guess.
Bye, ma, bol dena.
बॉल में 36 की जगह बॉल में 36 की जगह
22 run already in this over.
in just 3 ball.
In just 3 balls, let's see how many run will be there in this over. Bowler name Sakir. Mr. Sakir. He need to be a bit cautious with his line and length here. Nice bowling, brilliant comeback it is, I must say. The ball is in here, high and into the gap. He saved 2 runs for his team. He saved 2 runs for his team. Nice shot.
71 after 4. Yeah. वो हिसाब से 12 ओवर में 200 मारने का था इनका भी 71 है ना
71 run in 4 over. Still 8 more over to go. Let's see who will win this match. Macallan College versus Team AEI. No ball signal by umpire. No ball signal by umpire.
वाइट का दिया ना वाइट दिया ना
It must be leg umpire's call. Waiting for umpire to confirm. Umpire confirm not wide. Dot ball it is.
तबरेज़ भाई सलाम वालेकुम हमारे तबरेज़ भाई ग्राउंड में मौजूद
Ball is in here. High and handsome it is for 6 runs. We're gonna see here in the replay as well. Look at that. He connected nice enough. As soon as he's connected with bat, everyone knows it's going for 6. And umpire is asking for new ball. You can imagine how good was that shot and how far it went. 4.2 over 78 run.
I stay like for 2 more hours. See,
Farooq is the bowler.
I didn't know it's those I love
Can they make it 2? Yes, they made it comfortably. Look at that, the running between the wicket, between these two batters. They are very quick between the wickets. One shot, it only 1 run. One run and change. Yes. This time connected wide, what fielders there? Oh, bit fumble and drop it. No. Sort of run, batsman will be changed.
No. You. That's one.
Lovely batting.
Who is
boys,
on
lovely
strike?
batting.
That's Rafi.
Four running 80. 5 running.
80 runs. এবার ভালো করে ফেলছে ছোড় দিয়ে
Huge appeal there. Empire signal is not out.
80 after 5. 80.
उधर खेला শেষ করে আসতে বল
5 over 80 run. The scorecard is ticking slowly. The target is 154. Let's see whether the team AEI can chase it. They do have 7 over left in hand, and they only lost 1 wicket so far. Seems like they will chase it comfortably.
This guy looks
बहुत ही मैंने जैसे कहा कि बहुत एक्सपीरियंस बॉलर है वो मैकलम कॉलेज DI कॉलेज वाटसन मैकलम कॉलेज एक नया
बैट्समैन रफी
এবং যা দেখেন মারছে হলো যখন স্টেবল হইছে তখন যায় মারছে
80 for 1. 5 overs.
Yes.
Short है यार. 82 का 82. छोड़ दे.
Ah, he take it. What a catch it is.
कैसे खेल रहे हैं लड़के?
अरे नहीं आउट हुआ आदमी दूसरा
आशिक हो?
आशिक आशिक
तगड़े कैच कुछ पकड़नी पड़ेगी, फील्डिंग टाइट करनी पड़ेगी.
Then is 72 more run needed to won. A new batsman for Team AE High.
निश्चो
Nishal walking in.
निश्चो
Nishak. Nishak Hassan is the new batter for Team AEI.
82 कौन सा ओवर है? अच्छा मार रहे हैं हाँ? अरे वाह क्या बात है, जीतने चाहिए. जीतने चाहिए लड़के. 6 लड़के ने मार भी काफी शक्ल हैं. आउट हो गया, खेल रहा है. ठीक है. नहीं रिस्की लड़की.
Dot ball it is, most valuable one.
वाइड बॉल भी खेलता है. वाइड बॉल भी खेलता है.
अब शुरू करना है मार्च में. चलो चलो सिंगल. नहीं.
Dot ball again.
ये टीमें दोनों तगड़ी हैं.
Come on, boys, come on. Only 10 runs are over, boys.
पांच बॉल है ना.
Umpire, one more ball left. One more ball left, umpire. It's not over yet, sorry. One more ball to go, sorry. One more ball left to go.
There is one more ball to go.
बहुत पैसे मिलते से पता है तेरे पे ये. दोस्त है वो अंकित करके नाम से, वो नेपाल से ही है. वो सारा नेपाल का मैच
another dot
इधर भी नेपाल का मैच उधर होता है. बहुत अच्छे.
next bowler
इलियास.
कर रहे ऐसे.
Ilyas or
इलियास
new bowler Ilyas walking in for Macallan College.
इलियास पिछले ओवर में 14 रन.
In his last over spell, he had conceded 14 runs
and 1 wicket.
and got 1 wicket. Let's see.
6 ओवरां च 82 तेरी पे. हां ते 70 ही चाहिए.
और 6 में 72 चाहिए.
हाँ तो नहीं 6 ही चाहिए. 12 ओवर है तो 72 चाहिए होर. कुछ ज़्यादा थोड़ी.
72 more run needed. Ball is in here and taken comfortably. The batsman back to pavilion.
सब मारा तो अलग है.
सब प्लेयर से ले.
नेक्स्ट बैट्समैन रॉबिन. रॉबिन का नाम नहीं है ना इसमें.
Robin होगा भाई. हाँ वही है ना Robin. New batsman Robin walking into the crease for Team AEI. Ilyas getting second wicket for his team. Let's see how he will do. Big swing of the bat, but couldn't connect well. It will be dot ball, no harm there. Yeah,
बोला बोला
Again, a very good delivery for the bowler. The second dot continuously.
जो गाँव में होता है टूर्नामेंट
वो खेल ला रहे हैं
This time connected well, but landed safely in the no man's land. Well, they managed to get double here. Score is 84. This time, good timing, but there was no power on shot. काम गरे जस्तो देखिनु पर्यो क्या रे
It's a good delivery
It was
again.
an edge. Looks like it was an
He
edge.
has dropped the catch. You can see the reaction of the keeper.
Bowler now.
Our core commentator is bit funny here.
Looks like the new bowler here coming up again.
Farooq.
He is looking for a wicket for his team.
In his first over spell, he only conceded 9 runs.
First ball of this brilliant shot, but there is a fielder. They got the protection down there, and it's only 1 run. Here comes the second ball of this over, and brilliant ball. Good bowling. Good bowling. Very good bowling from the bowler again, and
86. 7.286.
the run is stuck around 80 to 90 runs now. Good shot, nice comeback from the bowling side. We can say that a brilliant bowling. They are looking for a boundary. I call it.
Over परेशान कर जाए इन लोग.
Team AEI need 68 runs to win this match. Ball is in here. I know what a catch.
What a catch.
Farooq finally got wicket here.
कौन है किधर बैट्समैन? रोबिन और ये बैट्समैन नेक्स्ट बैट्समैन. बैट्समैन ने नेक्स्ट स्कोर चल रहा है 87.
Bye.
सिराजुल इस्लाम.
New batter Sirajul walking into the crease for Team AEI. Let's see whether he can capitalize his position and register the one from this time. Whoever win this match will face final with Astra College. Score is 86 runs.
No running है.
87 runs, 4 wickets in 7.4 over. Needs 67 runs more to win this match.
It's already in the process.
Let's see how it goes.
Very good ball.
बॉल देखिए, तजुर्बा देखिए, एक्सपीरियंस देखिए। बड़े लोग बोलते हैं कि दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी चीज है तजुर्बा, और देखिए अपने तजुर्बे का कितना अच्छा इस्तेमाल करते हैं। प्यारा उनका बॉल किया।
इन ओवर हो गया ना?
आगे बढ़ के देखो।
इन ओवर नहीं है, इस ओवर में पहले
Farooq with another ball. Ball is in here. Whether it will be catch, let's see. Oh, drop it. Yes, they said. Cats won the match. They are dropping the cats. And slowly the match is turning away from them as well. Team AEI, they need 67, 66 more on to win this match.
चार ओवर है 66 4 ओवर
4 ओवर 66 मारना है। तजुर्बा काम आएगा, एक्सपीरियंस काम आएगा। गेम कैसा खेले विराट कोहली उसने कहा था कि तजुर्बे से खेले। एरियर भाई सपोर्ट करने की बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं अपने टीम को जीतने के लिए, बट एरियर भाई हार भी का तो कोई टेंशन नहीं।
वो खा के जाएंगे, वो खा के जाएंगे।
कंटिन्यू अच्छे हो रहे हैं।
New ball of Faisal gonna continue the spell for Macallan College. Let's see whether he can get some wicket here. Faisal in his 2 over spell he conceded 15 runs, got 1 wicket. Beat away from batsman body. They managed to get double. There is the chance of run out and he is gone. He is gone. The wicket column is taking now a 5 wicket down for team AEI.
How to put 1 run and wicket. Which batsman got out?
हमारे ब्लू स्काई के ओनर 25 कंट्रीज में जिसके ब्रांचेस थे वो आ चुके हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। हर कंट्री में जिसका ब्रांच है, हर स्टेट में जिसका ब्रांच है, ब्लू स्काई कंसल्टेंसी एक ही नाम, ब्लू स्काई। शाह द हाउस। और थोड़ी देर में बिरयानी हमारे इमरान भाई की
The organizer of this tournament, the Blue Sky. Nice shot into the gap for 4 runs. You can see here in the replay as well. If you are watching us live in YouTube channel, you will be able to see replay as well.
Four.
Connected well, but fielder on the way. Taken comfortable. And batsman back to pavilion. The wicket column is taking 6 at the moment. They lost 6 wickets.
Shamsur Rahman.
New batter Shamsur Rahman walking into the crease for team AEI. 61 more on needed in 69. His score is 93 runs in 8.3 over with the loss of 6 wickets, and then is 61 more on to win this match. Any result possible here from this point?
दोनों का बैटल चल रहा है।
बैटल वो जीत गए भाई, कब के जीत गए वो भाई, कब के जीत गए। What a weather it is, very lovely day for cricket. It's 61 more on to win this match. It's like 2 additional on the back.
और हमारे ओनर साइड लो लो यो बहुत पुराने साथी हमारे सियासत के बहुत ही तजुर्बेकार बॉलिंग नहीं खेल सक रहे उनको नहीं खेल सक रहे बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस बॉलिंग इमरान भाई लॉन में मौजूद ओनर है शाहिद इस्ताखान के अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह और हमारे उमर भाई भी आ चुके हैं और अकरम भाई भी है वो जर्सी ब्लैक जर्सी में अकरम भाई है वो
Big swing of the bat, but couldn't connect well.
अब्दुल इमरान एंड हमारे उमर भाई ग्राउंड में मौजूद बहुत ही पुराने साथी हैं सियासत के बहुत पुराने लोग 2013 से
और
ऑर्गेनाइजिंग जो है मेन ब्लू स्काई
So let's take a moment and we would like to thank to our organizer Blue Sky Immigration and Student Consultancy, and we as the organizing team would like to thank our sponsor NSW Government and Study NSW. Thank you so much. That's number 8. And we can see in our community panel we got Rudra Acharya, who has been one of the key member for the live streaming as well. So in umpiring panel we got Chetan as a main umpire today. It's a very good delivery, it's a big appeal, but the umpire decided to give not out, and it's a dot delivery, to be very honest. You can see in the replay as well. It's a good shot in the gap for 6 runs out of the park. It was a very good shot. You can see the nerves getting high now. Both of the teams are fighting for the final. It's a very big shot. The players are asking for the no ball, but it is a very big shot and it went out of the park. It went to the car park, to be very honest. That was a good shot, and the players of AEI College is bringing back the game to AEI. Before in a couple of overs, the game was slipping away from AEI hand, but as soon as I came back to commentary, the game is back to AEI College.
I'll just take one water. Go for it. मैं बैठूंगा अभी चक्कर लगेगा.
There's a lot of hopes in AEI dugout. We can see that the players are pumped up and they want their team in the finale. The players are not ready. Again, trying to go with a big shot, but only managed to take a single.
Please, just a few words.
I'm very good at the background.
Yeah, you're good at managing things.
But I'm not in the front, the front face.
Yeah. So it's okay. And we can see the left-handed batsman. He's trying to hit a big shot, but he managed to get an ace and ball running away from the keeper as well. Only one run. We can see on our left-hand side the man, the myth, legend with his Hindi commentary going on to the other panel. What a ball! A bit aggressive celebration. We can see that he is bringing his helicopter. That's a very good ball, and he managed to clean bowl the batsman. That was a very good delivery.
होगा नहीं पता सबको मैच से ज्यादा बिरयानी की खुशबू याद आ रही है उसकी परिवार ने
कुंडा कुंडा को के गेছে শাবাব আহমেদ শাবাব নাম আছে নাম কেমনে আছে
The new batsman is here now, Sabab Ahmed. Looks like he have the more responsibility now to win the match for the team.
22 করে লাগে
कितना ओवर हो गया? ओवर कितना हो गया?
110 ओवर 22 করে লাগে 22
It's 10th over, 110 runs.
बताइए अभी, बताइए उसको। 44 runs.
ओवर 44
In 2 overs, AIE College needs 44 runs with the required run rate of 22 runs per over, which means they have to charge every ball whatever they got. And let's see what they have to got now, what they can do for the team. The team owner looks a bit nervous right now. I can feel his nerves. He has been one of the most tense man in the dugout. And I wish the best team wins from here. They both played a very competitive match. It has been one of the greatest matches of this tournament so far. And bowler is he. And it's a good shot, but straight to the hand. It was a full toss delivery, but couldn't manage to hit anyway, but managed to hit straight to the fielder.
और एक है अभी भी रीचेबल मैनेजेबल आकाश बॉलर बैट्समैन आकाश न्यू बैट्समैन
The new batsman, jersey number 12. I think he been pumping up now. We can see he's hitting with the bat. There is. We need some destructive batting to win the match for AIE College.
आउट सिमोन आउट कौन नाम आउट ये ना
11 balls, 44 runs.
Shamsur sorry Shabab and Shamsur
It's a good shot, but it's straight in the hand. And it's another wicket in the. It is very soft dismissal. They got the full toss but couldn't manage to capitalize this.
बाकी कौन है जो दे दो शहरियार तो नहीं दीदार दे दो
Let's take a moment and thank to our organizing team, Blue Sky Immigration and Student Consultancy, who has been one of the key partner for the students for building and trusting the future for them. If you have any kind of migrational services, student services, please do contact Blue Sky Immigration. It's a hat-trick ball. It's a good delivery, perfect Yorker length, but the batsman managed to play the ball.
It was a hat-trick ball, bhai.
It was
Yeah.
oh yeah
That's a good shot. Cover drive just like a Virat Kohli. So, whoever wins this match, they're gonna fight with Extra College, who have already reached the finals couple of hours ago, who managed to defeat CDU College with big, I think 8 wickets. And we will find out who's gonna be the next finalist in couple of minutes. Do AIE College have something to offer now? Can they hit big boundaries? A wide extra run. It does gonna help, but not a lot. Let's see what he gonna do now. They need big boundaries, and it's not coming from both of the end. It's been a very good comeback from the other side. Macallan College, the bowlers doing very good job. And in last over, they might need 40 runs, which is almost impossible to achieve. But people say,
mathematically impossible.
but people say cricket is a funny game. You never know what's next. Anything can happen in any moment. They might gonna throw a lot of extras.
Glorious uncertainty.
I can see a lot of hope from AI College. But
6 ball. Maybe one no ball, one free hit, and 6. What is that? From Bialish Andarkar.
they need big boundaries. Let's see.
1 over 42 runs.
And it's only 1 run. It was a very short pitch delivery. He could have hit anyway, but managed to only swing at leg side and get only 1 run. This is quite getting harsh now for AI College, and Macallan College is getting near to the finale, and it's a clean bowled. And that's the end of AI College, as Macallan College managed to win the match by 40 runs. That's a very big win if you talk about 12 overs match. And congratulations to the team. For both of the team, Team Astra and Team Macallan College, who have reached the finale today. And we can see the team spirit going on. The players on the field shaking hands with each other, which builds more maturity in matches as well. And
हमारे भाई के साथ थोड़ी देर में बिरयानी होगी हमारे शेरियार भाई के साथ इंशाल्लाह So Team Astra will play against College. We are looking at a 5 to 10 minute break, and we want to.
as you know, this is a very new thing in Sydney. Blue Sky organizing cricket tournament for the different colleges, and it has been one of the getaway or one of the hub for the team to get together to each other and find a way to be the part of this beautiful event.
Charles Darwin University, Astra Institute of Higher Education, Asia Pacific International College, Victoria University, Charles Sturt University, Higher Education Institute, Canterbury Institute of Management, Blue Sky
guys, first,
फैसल भाई का नहीं काउंट करेगा
Faisal is the man of the match.
Who is the man of the match?
फैसल
How many runs? How many runs?
हाँ हम काउंटिंग
So I would like to call Faisal from Macallan College for the man of the match to receive his man of the match. Faisal, I would like to invite you in front of the commentary box. Please be here to collect your man of the match.
49.
How many wickets?
फैसल
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 wickets.
Let's take a moment and let's appreciate our man of the match of this second semi-finalist, Faisal, who scored 49 runs and took 3 crucial wickets for his team. Faisal. Faisal, let's take a moment, guys. Let's appreciate our man of the match, Faisal, who took 3 crucial wickets and scored 49 runs.
रुद्रा सेमीफाइनल 2 की कहाँ बोल रहे हैं आप? फ्लैग के पास।
Assalamualaikum. You being a played well for your team. You made them made for the final now. The Faisal has made 47 runs and he has also taken 3 crucial wickets for the team. This
एम्पायर आ जाइए आप लोग। टीम रेडी हो गया?
टीम की फोटोज हो गए उन सब फोटोज उसकी टाइम खाली पार फोटो लेने टॉस कराना है सीधा टॉस कराना है कैप्टन को। आ जाए फैसल आ जाए टॉस करा दे क्योंकि 5 बजे 6 बजे है इनकी हुई तस्वीरें ना इनकी
हल्की होती है ना तीनों की।
टाइम इतना है क्योंकि 3-4 बजे ना मैच बात कर लेंगे क्योंकि 3 बजे के बाद ना 100% बारिश दिखा रहा है। हाँ अंदर भी कर सकते हैं। कैप्टन को बुला ले।